This is an important announcement from the management team of Seaway GM Cadillac in Cornwall and SD&G that can provide you with up to $1,000 in cash vouchers in the next few minutes. Our dealership's management team is working around the clock to find a solution to manage the pre-owned inventory supply challenges that we are still facing. Our pre-owned inventory numbers are far less than what we need to have in stock at this time of the year going into the spring market season. Ideally, we would love to add an extra 15 to 20 units, and that's why I'm reaching out. We would like to buy your current vehicle, and we're ready to pay you the maximum amount possible. I know this might sound a bit awkward at first, since we're usually reaching out trying to sell you a vehicle, but this time, we would like to buy back the vehicle you're driving. In that train of thought, my acquisition manager would love to make you a no-strings-attached offer today. All he would require would be that you provide him with the mileage and condition of your vehicle using the link below on this page. Oh, and just to make sure, there's no obligation to move forward with his offer. But at least you'll know how much money we're talking about, so you can make your final decision with all the facts. Because of this unusual situation, you could potentially get more for your vehicle today than at any other time in the next 12 to 18 months. And get a Seaway GM Cadillac $1,000 upgrade bonus. I hope I was able to pique your curiosity. But just in case, if you're still sitting on the fence, if you provide us with your vehicle's information now, we're going to let you spin our prize wheel and let you grab one of the exciting surprises we have to say thank you for your time. You can get up to $1,000 in prize vouchers. No purchase is necessary. You simply provide us with the info on your current vehicle and you'll immediately get to spin to win right here, right now on this page. And if you decide to upgrade, we are currently offering some of the most exciting incentives we've seen in the last few years. We also have attractive finance rates and no money down available on approved credit, loyalty and conquest bonuses on our Cadillac, and great deals on almost all models. So I genuinely believe that we can both mutually benefit from this situation. Just provide us with the mileage and condition of your vehicle and you'll immediately get to spin to win. Thank you again, good luck, and I hope to chat with you today.